do it and enjoyed it so much I was able to quit my job a year later and start doing that, and that was 8 years ago. So I consider that was a very good thing in my life, that happened, because it inspired me and motivated me to do something that has become an amazing experience in my life, getting to travel around the world, play music. None of that would have happened if not for getting my heart broken. So, or it may have just happened a lot later. Anyways, I'm going to play you the song that I wrote about that experience. It's a song called Spring Part 2. Thank you very much. Oh, wow. Lovely crowd in the middle of the day on a Wednesday.